Okay, I had to backtrack. I was doing a little filming for my Facebook page, which you can follow me on there. Just send me a friend request, I'll accept it. Same name. Jesse James's Adventures. But anyhow, I thought this was a little weird. Okay. Car is literally right over there. I put the chair down, I put the coffee cup down, so I feel a little better. But okay, we got a log, and it is literally snapped. Okay, and it goes this way. No big deal. And it's a decent size, 6, maybe 8 inches round. And right here, kind of points in between, but kind of points to that crooked tree. Bent tree. It's not crooked, it's bent. And then right next to it is this one. Some video clips don't end up on here. They end up on my Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. But this is a cool tree here. Right there. That's pretty cool. And then you got a little one I just saw when I looked up. I didn't see that one. That one right there, but I was looking at that one. I'm on the other side. I'm now on the other side of the road. And as soon as I got in here, and I'm not very far off the road, he started whistling. Now, do I think it's the same bird? No. This one's a little different. He don't answer me back right away. He'll answer me back when he feels like it. I'm just walking. I really have no purpose. I don't want to get too close to them houses over there or whatever it is. Oh, there's a little bit of a breeze. It's getting warm out here. The warmer it gets, the more I'm going to have to pay attention to what I'm doing. And it's warm enough now. Little critters slither along the ground and in trees. Probably starting to yawn and stretch and come to life, so definitely have to watch my step. Okay, I assume because I'm a little sweating and there's a light breeze that's the reason I have the chills right now. Excuse me. Probably should have drank more of that coffee, I guess. It's okay, 'cause I'm just more burnt trees. That one ain't burnt, but it's dead. If I see anything, I'll let you know. I haven't really got too many pictures today, which is why I really come out here. Not really that exciting over here as it was over there. So, what do I want to do? I don't know. I'll let you know.